Hello and welcome to east.ktc's tutorial video over Unity. My name is Tyler, and today we will show you how to download, open, and run Unity to create a game of your very own. Today we'll be working on creating a terrain along with a basic player. Let's get started. At the bottom of the screen you'll need to locate your Safari icon, which will be shown as is right here. So you've located it, go ahead and click it. Up at the top we'll need to type in Google. Once at Google, we will type in Unity 3D and go to download. We'll go ahead and click this first link, which is unity3d.com/unity/download. Click that link. The download button will be over here to the right, which will be said Download Unity 4.0.1. Click it. It'll automatically start your download. Since we already have it, we won't need to download it. But once you get them downloading it, you'll click it and you'll be prompted to sign up with them. Go ahead and do that. You can go ahead and get a 30-day free trial right now for Pro. I'd recommend you wouldn't do that right now. You can do that at any time, so do that later. After you get done downloading it, it'll either be located here in the Applications folder, or in my case, it's right here. Click it. When you open it up, it'll show you this little welcome screen. Close out of that. We won't need that. So here it is, the basic structure of Unity. You can see we already have a main camera, but we're just going to delete it. So push delete on your keyboard, or you can go ahead and right click and delete. Get rid of that. So let's get started. Up at the top, you'll see all these, which what we want to do is click the terrain button and push create a terrain. You can see we got a little square right here, and that's a basic terrain, but we're going to go ahead and put some grass and stuff on it. You don't want a plain terrain. So at the right of the screen, you'll see this big inspector tab right here. There's different tools right here, which that's raise height, flatten height, smooth height, paint texture, place trees, paint detail. Go ahead and push paint texture. In case you haven't done so already, you can go to the assets folder and go to import package and go to terrain assets. You'll see this importing package pop up. You want to import all those. Once they're finished importing, you can go back over here to where we were. Remember, push the little paintbrush to paint your texture. You want to push edit texture, add texture, and over here at the right or left, don't know my right from left, you'll see this little box pop up. We'll go ahead and push select. You can see all these different things. If you went ahead and did the terrain assets, you should have the grass and rock, grass hill, but we'll go ahead and do just the grass hill. We'll do the X tiling to 900 and the Y to 900. And there you go, look at there. Go ahead, you have your grass set up, but you can't really enjoy it because if you push the play button right up here at the top, there's nothing there. So now you're going to have to create a player. We'll go back up here to the assets button, which we clicked earlier. Push import package. You can go ahead and import all these for later videos, but we're going to use this character controller one right here. Just import all those. After that, I believe you can go ahead and create a game object, but we're just going to do it the easy way. Down here at the bottom, you'll see all your scripts. It should start off like something like that. You can go ahead and click the character controllers panel, which so you'll go ahead and you can have a third person or first person. We'll create a first person. So just click and drag it out on there. So there you go. You can click it right over here. So you have the terrain, your first person. If you double click it, it'll zoom in on your character. You can go ahead and play around with that right now. You just push the play button. But see, it's a little dark. You just use your mouse to look around. You can push the space to jump, W to move forward, S to move backwards, A to move left, and D to move right. But we'll go ahead and exit out. To do that, just click the play button again. Alright, now it's a little dark, so we want to add some light. So you can click Q on your panel, on your keyboard, to drag it, or you can just push this little hand tool right here. To zoom, all you have to do is push Control and zoom in. Alright, so we'll back it up here. Just scroll it. Go ahead and back up. Add game object, which is up here at the top. Create a directional light. Remember how I said all you have to do is double click it, which it's down below the map right now, or on it, so we don't want that. We want to click this tool right here, right beside the hand, and drag it up in the air. You can rotate it, but I'm just going to freehand it and do this. You can even just drag it yourself, but I used to use the X and Y axes to do it. You can click this tool right here to change the direction of it. So if you want it brighter, darker, turn it. But we'll go ahead and just keep it right about there. So push play again. And there you go. Look at there. You got some light. Remember W to go forward, S to go back, A to go left, D to go right, space to jump. All those are preloaded into the character prefab, which we can edit those later, make them go faster, slower, make them where you can defy gravity. Now we'll want to add some grass to our terrain, so you'll have to select it over here. And now we're going to add some grass. So you click this little icon right here, which is paint details, and you can add grass texture. Over here the box will pop up again. You can change the healthy color, the dry color, but we don't want to mess with those right now. Once again, here's the different grasses. You can go ahead and select any of these, but I prefer just the grass. Just go ahead and click the grass. Now, when we zoom into our game, we can go over here and choose different ones where it puts them in different places, which increase our brush size. See this? Now we just place them, and you can keep placing. We'll hold it down, and then when we play it, we'll already have some grass that automatically blows in the wind. Of course, you don't want it this much, but we can go ahead and edit that later, but I'm just showing you how to do it. And now that we got that, this will conclude our video today. The next video, I'll show you how to create some water, some trees, and other objects. Thank you.